Let's review. Midea U Inverter Window Air Conditioner. More than 35% energy savings. With the advanced DC inverter technology, Midea U achieves over 35% energy savings compared to other traditional units, and it's the first window AC to obtain the Energy Star Most Efficient 2020 certification. You may also get exclusive benefits from your local energy distributor. Extreme quiet, 9 times quieter than some traditional units. The U-shape blocks the noise from the cooling system using your window. Flexible window open. Midea U-shaped design allows your window to open, bringing fresh air into your home anytime, allowing you to maintain more of your view. Smart control. The Midea U is Wi-Fi enabled. It can be controlled from anywhere through the cloud using the Inverterair app on iOS or Android. You can also use voice commands with Alexa or Google Assistant if you prefer.